Adding keywords and meta keywords to your website. How to get more traffic to your website, part 2. Hi guys, I'm Nat Ryan with Internet Marketing DIY. In order to be found on the search engines, your website needs to include keywords related to the solutions that you provide your visitors. For example, if you're in the tree service business and you provide stump grinding, make sure that you include information on the website that relates to stump grinding. A service page of about 500 words would be great for this. Just make sure that this page has the keywords that people are searching for, like, well, stump grinding, or stump removal, or how to get rid of a tree stump, etc. But there is a fine line here. You want to include your best keyword phrases and include them often, but not too often. So how much is too much? On a web page, you're aiming to include each of your best keywords 2 to 3 times each, max. Seriously, don't go over 3 times for any one keyword phrase. If you do, then Google will penalize your site for what it considers to be keyword stuffing, which will negatively affect your website ranking for that particular keyword. Don't be afraid of keywords, use them for sure, but when in doubt, err on the side of caution. If you're feeling a little anxious about keywords, I understand. Keyword density can be really intimidating, but a super simple and effective way to include keyword phrases is to use them as the headings and subheads of your written text content. That way they will definitely get noticed by Google, but you don't need to tie yourself in knots over trying to write your content with just the right keywords and in just the right amount. In saying that though, if you want to check your web pages for keyword density, there is a really easy way to do it. Let me show you how. Okay guys, so the simplest way to check keyword density on any web page is to use the keyboard shortcut Control F. F as in Frank. So when you do that, you're going to come up, this little pop-up thing is going to come up at the top of your window if you're using Internet Explorer, or like me using Google Chrome. If you're using Firefox, it's going to show you at the bottom of your screen. Okay, so we're on my company website right now, so I'm going to put in internet marketing into the field here, and it says 1 of 3 because this is what's showing on the screen right now, and that's in my banner. It's part of my business name, by the way. So there it is right there, and we're going to scroll down and we'll find the other incidences of it, and there's another one highlighted in yellow, and another one down here in the footer, my business name again, but there it is, internet marketing again. And that's how you do it, guys. Very quick and easy way to check keyword density on any web page. Okay guys, once you've got your keyword density where you want it, don't forget to add meta keywords in the SEO settings for each of your web pages. Now this is done a little differently depending on which website building and or hosting software you're using. Now, I've used lots of different website builders over the years, but now I just use Weebly. They are by far, at least in my opinion, the easiest to use because the builder is literally drag and drop. So let me show you how to add meta keywords to the SEO settings on a Weebly site. Just know that if you use another website builder, the steps will probably be a little different for you, but you should get enough info from the following video clip to get a good idea of the procedure. Okay guys, so I'm using my company website again as an example. I'm in the builder for Weebly, and up here at the top on the screen you can see build, pages, themes, store, apps, settings. We want to pick the pages one, so we do that. Immediately you see this blackened sort of panel on the left hand side here. We want to scroll down. Let's try website design, so we'll click on that page. And then we're going to go down to where it says SEO settings and click on that. And then you can scroll this panel down a little bit till you see meta keywords. And it's in this panel that you add your meta keywords, okay, whatever your keywords are for that page. And then after that, you can hit the preview button. If you hit the orange preview button at the very top of the screen, I've already opened it up. What happens is it uses that as it saves your work, the work you've just done. And then when you're all done, you just press the blue publish button at the top and it's live to the web. And that's as easy as it gets, guys. But what do you do if you don't know which keywords to add to your web pages? Go to my channel, Internet Marketing DIY, and look for these 2 videos on how to do SEO keyword research for free. The #1 tool to find keywords fast, and how to narrow down your keyword list. In the meantime, guys, in my next video, I'll show you how to add internal links to your web pages and get started with backlinking too. Stay tuned for that. Or better still, guys, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. While you're at it, if you like this video, hit the like button below, and if you'd like me to cover something specific, please leave me a comment. Bye for now, guys. Thanks for watching.